Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to switch profiles on Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open the Netflix app, and after that, when you open the Netflix app, it will show you the profiles already available for you. You can choose your profile. And after that, if you want to change the profile, you have to click on My Netflix, which is on the bottom right of the screen. And here, as you can see, your profile will be on the top of the screen. You have to click on your name. And after clicking on your name, as you can see, you will see all the available profiles and you can switch to any profile that you want on your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.